This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable appetizer cups, specifically these clear tech appetizer cups and serving tray. The tray itself is 11¾ square and features 25 slots. You have a choice between a 2-ounce sphere that is 2¼ inches in diameter, or the 4-ounce for a more generous portion that's 2¾ inches in diameter. The cups and the trays are sold separately. These are perfect for setting up self-service displays of apps or using for past appetizers as well. As you can see, with the 2 ounces, you can get 25 on the tray and use every slot. If you're going with the 4 ounces, you'll need to set them up every other, as they won't quite fit if you try to put them in every hole. So it makes for a nice, more open feel to that display. The tray features built-in handles, which make it easy to carry, move, take to the back to refill, whatever you need to do. The stand has a crystal clear finish and is hand wash only. And it kind of gives that look like your appetizers are just kind of floating on air. So it's a nice, fun little touch and a unique display for any event. It's easy to dress up or down, so you can scale it from a sleek, minimalistic look to something more elaborate and much fancier. These are great for presentation of a variety of different appetizers or even fun little mini desserts. These are perfect for restaurants or caterers to use at events and functions, or for use at places like gourmet grocery stores for some upscale sampling, or just to use at your next party at home to impress your guests.